If you operate in regulated industries like financial services or healthcare, your data governance policies may require customer-owned encryption keys for execution data. Lambda Durable Functions previously encrypted execution state at rest using only AWS-owned keys, limiting your control over key management and access policies. You can now encrypt durable execution data with KMS customer-managed keys, giving you full control over key rotation and who can access execution history and state. You can control key rotation and execution data access according to your compliance requirements. You can manage execution data encryption independently from function configuration, since the durable execution key operates separately from the function-level key that protects environment variables and snap-start snapshots. You can meet compliance requirements for regulated industries by configuring customer-managed keys for durable execution data. This feature is available in all AWS regions where Lambda Durable Functions is available, with standard KMS charges applying and no additional Lambda charges. Previously, you could only use advanced matching rule sets with operators like exact and exact many-to-many combined with and/or logic for batch processing that took minutes to hours. Real-time matching was limited to simple rule-based workflows, creating a gap when you needed sophisticated matching logic with millisecond response times for use cases like fraud detection, account lookup, or website personalization. You can now match records in milliseconds using complex rule sets through the Generate Match ID API. You use exact and exact many-to-many operators with and/or logic for real-time matching without maintaining separate infrastructure. You enable this capability by setting the Enable Real-Time Matching parameter to true on your matching workflow. You then call the existing Generate Match I API without requiring new endpoints or application migration. This feature is available in all AWS regions where AWS Entity Resolution operates. Previously, serving both IPv4 and IPv6 clients from one network load balancer required you to either run two separate load balancers and split clients with DNS, or send all traffic to one target group and lose the original client IP through protocol translation. Network Load Balancer now supports listener rules that route connections to different target groups based on source IP address type. You can route traffic by source IP address type, directing IPv6 client traffic to IPv6 targets and IPv4 client traffic to IPv4 targets. This preserves the client IP for both IPv4 and IPv6 connections end-to-end with no translation. You can add rules to existing dual-stack NLBs without recreating infrastructure. The feature supports TCP, UDP, TCP_UDP, and TLS listeners and works with existing NLB capabilities including connection draining, target group stickiness, cross-zone load balancing, and weighted target groups. The capability is available in all AWS commercial regions and AWS GovCloud regions at no additional charge.